springtime now, all the trees have come to life. Little birdies on my lawn eating worms. The bees are in the trees, making honey as they please. The birds and the bees, the birds and the bees. Oh, what does that mean? The birds and the bees, the birds and the bees. It's not ever been properly explained to me how birds relate to bees and how any of that relates to sex. 'Cause birds don't have sex with bees and bees don't have sex with birds. It's absurd, don't know what you heard, but I can confirm bees don't have sex with birds. Bird has sex with a bee, that bee would be impossibly disturbed, perturbed, injured. If I saw a bird having sex with a bee, that'd get to me, that'd be it for me. And if I saw a bee going down on a bird, it would hurt, it would hurt, it would hurt. Because birds shouldn't have sex with bees, not in reality nor fantasy. It's obscene, it's obscene, it demeans both the birds and the bees. If we had sex with a bird, they'd have to invent a